Video. In today's video I will show you how to get access to PDF files in native iOS and display it inside PDF view. So first things first, it is not possible to get access to all the PDF files in iOS. It is possible in Android and I have already uploaded a video for it, but in iOS all you can do is like whenever a user clicks a button, you can just present a view controller which you can display all the PDF file, and the user will have to manually select a PDF file, and only that PDF file can be edited or displayed if you are trying to get the PDF files which are present inside a user's device. So you can't get access to all the PDF files, you can only get access to the PDF files which the user has picked. So firstly, inside my view controller I have imported mobile core services, uniform type identifiers and PDF kit. Next I have extended UI document picker delegate, and I have also created a PDF view. Let me show you guys the output first. So here is the like I will run the app again. Okay, by the time there, so here you can see that I have created just a button, and if you click on that button it will display a view controller which contains all the PDF files which are present inside the user's device. So if I click on button, here you can see I have two PDF file, and if I select, the user will have to select manually. If I select one of those, then I can show it inside a PDF view. So that's what this PDF view is for, and this is that button for. So here you can see I have just taken this button and added a click listener. I have also added it to our view and did some NS layout constraints. Same for PDF view as well, added it to our view, and I have added some NS layout constraints to our PDF view as well. Now once the button is tapped, we are opening UI document picker view controller, and the UT type is only PDF. But if you want, you can add some plain text as well. Suppose you want plain text file as well, you can add that. But if your intention is to only get the PDF file, you don't require this plain text. Okay, and I have set the delegate as self, allow multiple selection false. If you want to select multiple file, you can click this as true, and I am presenting the document picker over here. Now once the user selects it, I am just checking whether the extension is PDF. If yes, then just show it inside PDF view document. If it is something else, I am not doing anything. So yeah, this is how we display it inside PDF. In case the user does not pick anything and just cancels it, you can get a callback over here as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.